My beautiful geekables, I am going through Sons of Anarchy withdrawal. I know it's been forever since this show's been out, and it's been forever since it ended, but it was a great show. I thought so, and I enjoyed it while it was out. So I found an edit by LMK Edits, and I want to see how it's done. So stick around. Let's see. Let's go back. Let's do a little throwback. I know it's not Thursday, but we can do a little throwback anyway. So let's go.
And then I'm gonna kill you.
Like after a while, the open shootout, the fights, again, nobody called anybody. This was, I hate this scene.
I'm so far from home.
It was symbolism. All right, LMK. Or IMK. Whoops, IMK, sorry. I'll tag it. I'll tag it in the comments, because that was well done. So I gave me my withdrawal fix of Sons of Anarchy. Thank you, appreciate it. Hope it helped you guys too. I don't know if you were going through the withdrawal that I was going through. I just missed the show. I missed it. I wanted to see it, and that was a really good edit to bring it back and remind me of all the things that I had seen. All right, my beautiful geekables. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, follow along. Every day's a geek day. Do everything with love, and I'll see you guys next time.